The data collected for the crystal violet reaction in the video of the demonstration is shown here and is the same as the data on your Excel sheet. This Excel program also has a graph created of the room temperature data, much like the graph that was shown on the Logger Pro notebook. You will need to come up with the data to put on the natural log and the inverse graph. To do this, go to the Data tab at the bottom and highlight the box that is immediately underneath the natural log of the absorbance. Different Excel programs, depending on whether you're using a Mac or a PC and what version of the Excel program you're using, will do this slightly differently. So this is roughly how you can do it, but your program may have some difference. I'm going to show you two ways to insert a calculation so that you don't have to type in the number for each one. Now that this box is highlighted, I'm going to type equals, and then I'm simply going to type in ln for natural log, open parentheses, and then I'm going to click on the box that I want to take the natural log of, B3, and close the parentheses. When I do this, I have the first one calculated. I could type this over and over again, or highlighting that same box, I'm going to click on the small box in the corner and drag down. This will fill in the natural log for the cell next to it for each cell in this column. Now, if I click on the room temperature ln of A tab at the bottom, my graph will appear, and I can use my graphing skills to put a best fit linear line and adjust the title of the axes to something appropriate. Remember to display the equation on the chart so that you have both the equation with the slope and the goodness of fit as determined by the r-squared value. Similarly, I can type in equals 1 divided by, and then click on the absorbance box. Make sure you click on the absorbance and not the natural log of the absorbance. You can hit enter and drag the equation down for the rest of the entries.